Eric Peterson with Arborisk here. Today's weekly business tip was written by Mick Kelly and talks about how you can improve your safety culture within your organization. Now, Mick offers up four different tips on how to help actually improve your safety culture. And we know safety culture within your organization, not just about your employees' well-being, right? It's also about how you maintain your equipment, how you deal with job site safety and protecting the public. Really, it outlines the procedures and the total attitudes throughout your organization. So being strategic about your safety culture is vital and of utmost importance. So Mick's four tips are simply start off with communication, right? The communication has to be there from the frontline office down to the production worker. What do we want? What do we expect from our team and how we prepare ourselves for safety, how we make sure that we get home safe each and every night. The communication has to be there and it needs to be transparent. Both ways. If someone is working on the production crew and they notice something is not off or could be improved, they need to feel comfortable being able to tell the management that there needs to be a change here. And if a management needs to set that tone and direction that every life is important and every job needs to be done safe. So the communication is the biggest piece, and that's number one. Number two is training and development. Setting up a regimented training and development program is crucial to any safety culture, but also your retention of employees and everything like that. So establish a training and development program within your company so that an employee knows that there's a future and something to work towards, as well as getting consistently trained on the hazards that you face every day in the production field. His third tip is preparing for safety, and that's simply a mindset, right? If you're not prepared to work safe, if you don't have that foresight, the forethought for that, you're not going to be safe. So prepare to be safe. Think about new trends within the industry, things that you can purchase to be in front of the next injury. Certainly being able to prepare yourself is a big piece in the safety culture. His last tip is all about written procedures, and that's the technical side of it. Anything that you do from a safety perspective, you want to have in writing on the back end, and that helps lend more credibility to what you're speaking about at your safety meetings. It makes it real, it makes it tangible for people to hold on to, and there's a compliance piece, unfortunately, that your safety culture needs to deal with, and that's being able to prove that you have trained people on it and that you do have these written programs. So communication, training and development, written procedures, and preparing for safety. Those are the four tips that Mick offers. At Arborisk, we have a number of different ways that we help companies get every employee home safe each and every night. If you're struggling with safety, please reach out to one of our team members. We can get you enrolled into our Thrive Safety Package and really help you feel confident that you're doing everything you can to help that employee get home safe each and every night. Any other questions, look at our website, reach out to one of us. We hope to talk to you soon.